Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So, I am going to talk for a few minutes about my lessons learned from my first month on YouTube. So, a couple things well, more than a couple, but a few things I'm going to cover is equipment, tools, challenges that I've been having, and just what I'm going to do going forward. So for the month, I have been just using the mics that I talked about previous, the Hollyland microphones. I've been using those. They seem to work pretty good for me. I have had no issues with them. I have not charged them since I got them about a month ago, so they keep a good charge. I have also been using this tripod that I got, which I'll show you in the video. Matter of fact, I'll just show you right here what it looks like. I got it off Amazon. I don't like it because it will pinch your finger if you are trying to take your phone in and out of it. So I think I'm gonna invest in one of those that have the magnetic attachment that you can attach it with the circle magnetic piece, because I've been really close to snapping my finger on that tripod. I also have a couple of other tripods that I'm going to do a video on that I haven't even touched yet. So I'll see what those look like. Matter of fact, before I invest in another one. But the good thing is tripods are not expensive. So that's a blessing. And then any other equipment that I've used, I have a couple of phone holders, and I'll show a picture right here of those. Um, got them off Amazon. They didn't cost too much, so I've been using those as well. And that's pretty much it. I edit on my phone, so I've been using my iPhone 15 Pro Max, and then, of course, my MacBook. So, the tools, the things that I've learned how to do with my videos. I recently learned how to do a subscribe watermark on my video, which I thought that was pretty neat. And it's real easy to do. And then I learned that whoever watches your channel, that is who YouTube pushes your video to. It's not necessarily to your subscribers. So again, I don't know how true that is. I don't know. But I thought that was pretty interesting if that's the case. And if I think about it, when I'm watching videos and if I'm not subscribed to them, I will see their other videos after that. So, maybe that has some truth in it. And then tags matter. Tags don't matter. Tags matter. Tags don't matter. All right. There's just back and forth about whether they matter or not. There is a lot of information on YouTube when it comes to making videos. Edit, don't edit. Tags, don't put them in. They don't matter. Um, you just have to pretty much just take what you want and try different things and don't get frustrated, because what I've noticed is what the algorithm will do, especially for me. I don't know about everybody else, but for me, I will be watching something. I'll watch like 4 or 5 videos about editing. And then next thing you know, there are 4 or 5 videos after that about don't edit. Just hit record and just go for it. The editing's no big deal. So you just kind of have to take the information and just, take what you need and, leave the rest and do what's best for you and your channel. So there are I did learn that there are different tags. There's channel tags, there's hashtags and description, and there's video tags that are separated by the comma. So I knew those things. I just, didn't really realize how they were categorized like that. I learned also to use the community post. Put your title in there of your video, the link to it, and then screenshot your thumbnail and post it. And then also I learned to make playlists for your videos. And so that's really easy to do as well. So challenges, I don't really have any challenges because I'm having fun. Like I'm really having a good time, you know? I'm learning a lot about myself and I'm just having fun. So I can't really say I've had any challenges. Maybe one challenge would be, who do I listen to and what do I listen to and whose advice? And I mean, you can say, well, listen to the people that are successful. I like listening honestly to a lot of small YouTube channels like myself because, we're all sitting here trying to learn together. So I don't really have any challenges right now. And going forward, what I want to do is a YouTube intro. I want to learn how to do that. I want to do chapters in my video so people can go to different chapters if they don't want to look at the whole thing. I want to make longer videos, but I want to work on making videos and my angles and just getting comfortable with my equipment and recording myself and what am I enjoying the most? Believe it or not, editing. I like editing. I really do. I'm having fun with that. So I'm having fun. I'm learning a lot. And I'm just enjoying the ride. So thanks so much for listening to this. I hope it helps someone. If you have any advice, look, I'm open for everything because I'm just going in with a clean slate and I'm so okay with just enjoying the moment. So please subscribe and thanks for watching.